Hello, friends out there, wherever you are. I hope you're all doing good. Our recipe for today is a quick and easy to prepare pork and olive stew. I hope you will like it. For the ingredients, check the description below. Let's start cooking. Fry the pork for about 2 to 3 minutes or until brown. And then let's set aside. Add some cooking oil on the same pan, just enough to fry the onions, garlic, and our bay leaf. Usually I add the salt while frying. When the onion is translucent, add the chopped tomatoes and keep frying. Now let's add the tomato paste. Pour the wine. And our chicken stock or simply just water. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, there it is. Let's stir in the pork. Add the black pepper and our dried parsley. If you are using a fresh one, just add it at the end. And another half cup of water. Usually I use hot water to maintain the temperature. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, here it is. Season with salt according to your taste. And add our olives. Simmer for about 2 minutes. Give it a quick stir, and our pork and olive stew is ready. Thank you for watching. Till next time.